Hey friends, welcome back to Shawnee on the Spot. Well, hey friends, I have been feeling extra artsy lately. I'm not an artist, but I am kind of artsy. And this is a super simple DIY 3D wall art idea that I think you're going to like. And this video is part of the Daughters of Destiny Open collaboration. And the Sisters of Daughters of Destiny are Styling with Gigi Faison, Lady Cinnamon, and myself. And this time we have a special guest host, Inspiring Decor Style with Denise. And she's here to help us with the second annual Fit for a King, King for a Day collaboration. All right, friends, these are the two images that I'm going to be working with today, and I got them from Etsy, and I will link in my description box the Etsy seller that I purchased them from. And I'm going to be showing you the one that I did in black and white at the very end, but I'm going to show you the process of the one I did with the color on it. Now I am going to glam him up. Yes, I am. He is king, and it is king for a day. So we are going to show you what we're going to do with some gold glitter and a little Mod Podge. And that's pretty much all. And a canvas, and we're going to put it all together. So here I'm going to go ahead and just around the crown put some Mod Podge, and I'm going to go ahead and use that to secure my glitter. And I'm using the extra fine glitter, and I believe I purchased this glitter from Hobby Lobby. Alright, and so let me just tell you, no glitter has been wasted in this video. I used every drop. And so I'm going to finish it off by putting more Mod Podge along just the crown, so that you see all of that glitter. I know it looks messy, but it's going to stick just to the crown, because the place where I put the Mod Podge, that's where it is going to stick. Now again, this is a super easy DIY 3D wall art project that anybody can do. It'd be cool for some young people or someone that wanted to give their dad a gift for Father's Day or birthday. I just love this. This is so super cute. I was thinking about it. I've had this image for a long time and just was looking through my files and saw it again. I was like, oh yeah, I forgot about this one. All right, so here I am also putting some Mod Podge along the necklace as well. And I'm being meticulous because I want to make sure that the glitter only goes onto the places where I am putting Mod Podge. And I'm going to brush off any excess glitter. And I do plan on doing the same with his ring as well as his bracelet. And there is getting there. I'm not done yet, but I wanted to show you how far it's coming, and the light's not giving it too much justice. It's really, really glitzy, and I put a couple of different layers, so I let it dry, and then I went back over it with a little more Mod Podge and a little more glitter to make it really, really pop. And then what I'm also going to do is I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut the image out. Now, I did not use my Cricut this time, so I didn't use print and cut because I wanted to put my glitter on before I cut the image out. So I cut it freehand. With a little patience, you can do it. Okay? So there it is, cut out. And here I'm seeing if I want to put some gems, and I think I'm going to use some red, so I'm playing around how I want to put them on the crown. And here's the canvas that I'm going to use, and it's a 12 by 12. I did get it from Michael's, but I think I'm going to paint it gold. I got some spray paint out, and I went ahead to the garage and I spray painted the canvas metallic gold, and then I got some painter's tape and I just taped it off so that I can paint some borders. And I'm going to grab my black spray paint. I'm sorry I don't have any footage of it, but I put some black spray paint around the borders, and then I took the tape off and put my image on the inside, and there it is. Now remember, I used printable vinyl. Okay, printable vinyl. I did not use paper, so that meant just peel and stick. It makes it super easy. And here's the one in black and white with the gold and with royal blue. I did use my Cricut to cut the letters, the words strength, courage, and wisdom. And here is the one I did that I'm so super happy about. I have it on display for just a moment on some shelving that I have. Isn't that awesome? Now this is super easy. You can make your own home decor, y'all. Sometime when you don't see something in the store that you want to do, you can make it yourself. Look at that. Let me know what you think about my King for a Day 3D wall art. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you're going to make one, if you think you can do it. Super easy idea. You can use any image. Again, I got this one from Etsy, and you can just search Black Male Profile and it'll bring up lots of images. Go ahead and support. All right. I want to give a super shout out to my own dad. Happy Father's Day, Dad. I love you to life. Thank you, friends, for sticking around and hanging with me today. I appreciate you. God bless you. Be kind to yourself.